Again a very nice question. Now first of all let's make the factors. Now, x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to x square plus 3x minus x minus 3, and now this becomes x plus 3 minus 1 x plus 3, and this implies x plus 3 and x minus 1. Now let x plus 3 x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 1. Now x is equal to minus 3 does not belongs to 0 comma 2 to these intervals, and x is equal to 1 belongs to 0 comma 2. Okay, therefore let's split intervals 0 comma 2 into 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. Now we are having x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 3 x minus 1. Okay, so x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to minus x plus 3 x minus 1 for 0 is less than is equal to x is less than is equal to 1, and x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 3 x minus 1 on 1 is less than is equal to x is less than is equal to 2. Is it clear? So now the question becomes integration for 0 to 2 x square plus 2x minus 3 dx is equal to 0 to 1 x square plus 2x minus 3 dx plus 1 to 2 x square plus 2x minus 3 dx. Now this becomes 0 to 1 this part. Okay, now what is this part? Now this will become, now I am writing here, okay, let's do there only. So this is now minus of x plus 3 x minus 1 dx plus 1 to 2 x plus 3 x minus 1 dx. Okay, now this becomes what? 0 to 1 minus x square minus 2x plus 3 dx plus 1 to 2 x square plus 2x minus 3 dx. Minus x3 upon 3 minus 2x square upon 2 plus 3x from 0 to 1 plus x cube upon 3 plus 2x square upon 2 minus 3x from 1 to 2. Okay, minus x cube upon 3 minus x square plus 3x 0 to 1 plus x cube upon 3 plus x square minus 3x from 1 to 2. Okay. Now let's put the values. Minus 1 by 3, minus 1 plus 3, minus 0 plus now we are having this will become 8 by 3 plus 4 minus 6 and 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 3. 5 by 3 this part plus now this part 8 by 3 plus 4 minus 6, 8 by 3 minus 2 minus 5 by 3. Okay. So now this becomes 5 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3, this is equal to 12 by 3 and this is equal to 4. So this is the answer.